You guys, I'm in my new apartment. Oh my gosh. I'm like, good morning, guys. Oh my god, look how bare my room is. That's insane. So it is Sunday. Yeah, my voice is a mess. I was at work until almost 1 a.m. last night, and I was yelling the entire time because it sounded like a club at the restaurant. It was so hard. My head hurts so bad from last night. Yeah, that was rough, okay? That was rough, oh my god. But I am doing the last of everything and I'm out. Like, this is it. Like, I'm gone, I'm leaving. So yeah, I'm like tidying everything up and I'm about to head out this joint. So let me show y'all what we're looking like right now before I empty out this place. That's it. Like, that's it. And we done. I'm gonna finish tidying up, bringing everything down, and then I'm gonna head out, okay? So I'll set this up so y'all can watch me do everything, okay? Hey guys, I'm done. I am out, y'all. I am finished. Like, this is it. Like, she is empty, gone. Nothing, no fridge, nothing, empty. This is it, you guys. I'm so happy right now. Like, I knew it wouldn't feel empty until everything was gone. Like, I do this thing where I'll let, like, even though I didn't have that much stuff in here, it felt like this room was still full. It feels empty now that everything is gone. Like, it didn't feel empty even just having one backpack in here. Like, everything is empty. I am done. Like, I think I'm gonna end here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, whatever. And stay tuned because I'm doing so much on moving in my new apartment. So stay tuned, okay? I'll talk to y'all later, bye. You guys, I'm in my new apartment. Oh my gosh. I'm like, I'm trying to find the keys right now and I don't know where the keys are. Oh my gosh, I found them. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, hold on. Okay, so let me tell you the craziest thing that just happened. So basically, we just like, can I put this down? Basically, we just tried to get everything here, and then my dad realized like he didn't get the key that opens the truck for the U-Haul. So he's still at home. He's like on his way now. He had to go back to the U-Haul place, get the key, and then go back home and get the U-Haul. And now he's on his way. But I'm here now and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Oh my gosh, like what? Here's the door and you walk in and here is the living area. It's quite small and quaint, okay? And my couch is gonna go here. And then my TV and stuff will go over here, right? And if you come this way, you have the kitchen. Small and quaint and cute. Yeah, here's the pantry. Yep. Okay. Got a cutie fridge. Oh, something fell. Okay. Well, there's the fridge, right? Okay, so out of the kitchen, if you come this way, let's turn this light on. We have a storage closet here, right? And then another storage closet here. And then we have the bathroom. I don't like open toilet seats. Here's the bathroom. Okay. All right, and here is the bedroom. I don't want to have my shoes on. Here's the bedroom. It's quite kind of small. Let's see if this is a good angle. It's like, you know, small, I don't know. And then I have this area right here that's kind of cool. It's like a nook area, I guess. And then my closet. Yeah. All right, so that's like literally it. Also the patio's right here. I'll like literally probably never go through here. Yeah, that's like my apartment tour. Like, yo, this is my apartment. Oh, I'm getting ice. This is my apartment. This is where I live. Like, it's so weird. It's just so weird. But yeah, I have like a bunch of furniture that I had purchased, and it's all gonna be here in like 20-30 minutes with my dad bringing it in, so that's exciting. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated, and I don't know. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time, as you, I don't know if you can tell. Ooh. But anyway, stay tuned for a furnished apartment tour, because I will be getting that to you. Don't mind my bump on my forehead, it actually hurts. Okay, well, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, bye.